Alright, I was hoping you got these done. I will do them. Click on this. Let's create a geometrical set and another one and another one. Let's go to properties, fill, properties, multi section, properties, blend. Let's make fill the in-work object. Create my fill surface by having to grab all 4 boundaries. Select OK. Let's hide the fill. Make multi-section. In-work object. Select multi-section. This time just grab the 2 boundary curves here, and I don't need to pick these boundaries. Select OK. Now you have a comparison between a fill and a multi-section. Define an in-work object. Hide. Let's do a blend surface. This one and this one. Select OK. Let's change the color. I'm going for salmon. Put that in hide. Pull this out. Go for another color. How about tan color? What? Oh my Lord. I want this to be a tan color. Alright. So the only way to really know if there's something different, unhide them. Okay, and it might be hard visually. I'm not seeing a whole lot of differences. To be honest, it's a pretty straightforward part, so there probably wouldn't be a whole lot of differences. When you get into more complicated stuff, it's probably going to make a difference here. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of differences. Now the other thing you could do is do a measure between and select, what surface do I have? The blend surface and the multi-section. Now I'm getting a minimum distance of 0, and let's do an infinite check. Okay, so minimum distance is 0. I tried to switch that to exact else, and I'm not getting that. I've got my distances set. I'm looking for greatest distance. Let's say OK. Let's do that measure between again. And this time let's try maximum distance and grab the blend surface versus the multi-section. Maybe there's nothing there to detect. We can try the fill surface. Okay, so they're pretty much lining up right on top of each other. I will pull this out of hide just to show you. You can see they're pretty much identical. Whatever it is we're doing, we're not working to like a 30 thou tolerance when you're making surface like this. Okay, so it just becomes, for this instance, which one is the most appealing to you? So at this point, you should have the 3 different surfaces, a blend, a multi-section, and a fill. Now what I want you to try and do is create a fill, a multi-section, and a blend, and try and grab a support so that they blend tangent. Okay, so you're going to experiment with that. For example, if I hide this fill surface, whoops, hide the surfaces. Notice I'm picking the geometrical set. It's much easier to work with if you can hide the geometrical sets. I'm going to go into my construction geometry. So let's say I was going to do multi-section. I'm going to select this curve, and I'm going to select that surface because I want to hold tangency to that surface. It's like that, it's like this, and preview that. Notice I get quite a bit different looking surface. Alright, so I'm going to select OK. I'll compare that to my other blend, multi-section. See the difference there? So quite a bit of difference there. What I want you to do is experiment with this. I want you to create 3 geometrical sets called fill tangent, multi-section tangent, blend tangent, and try and duplicate what I just did, holding tangencies using fill, multi-section, and blend.